Everyone, so today we have hand sanitizer sprays here from three different brands. This one is from DermoViva and it is with aloe vera extracts. So nowadays you're using sanitizers a lot. With aloe vera extract is kind of a good idea. So it is good for hands, surfaces and devices, but it should be used from 15 to 20 centimeter away, and it is highly flammable, which all the sanitizers are. It doesn't say the percentage of ethanol. So this is DermoViva. Then we have this from Sapil. This one says it has 70% of ethanol, and this is antiseptic, disinfectant with moisturizer and vitamin E again, because you're going to have dryness, right? And this one is good for hands, but can be used for surfaces also. Again, this is highly flammable, and if you're using it for kids, it should be used under supervision. Now we have the third one, which is from LAFresh, and this is advanced bacterial care, antibacterial care. So it contains 75% of ethanol. So usually this is the one which I found has higher quantity of ethanol, and usually the effective one should be 70% and more. So if it is 70% and more ethanol, it is effective, and again it should be used from 50 centimeters away. It can be used on devices or surfaces as well. And this one has glycerine also. So three sanitizers are here, sanitizer spray. All right, so thank you for watching.